How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on Twitter. So the first thing you do is open up the Twitter app and come into your profile. And then you want to select Edit Profile just below the magnifying glass. And here you can see below location and website you have birth date. Press that. And this will let you know that you can only change it a few times. Select Continue. And then at the very top you see birth date, press that. And we'll change it. Twitter also gives you the option of seeing who is able to see your birthday. So the birth month and day I have set to only me, and also same as the year, but if I wanted the public to see the year that I was born, you can change that, but we'll just leave it. It's only you. And then press Continue once you're happy in the top right, and then Save in the top right. It'll ask you to confirm it again. You press Confirm. And that's how you change your date of birth on Twitter. Thank you for watching.